In this video, we compare hyperbolic sine and the complex sine using values w from 0 to 1.4. So we begin with the values of w. Data validation, list of items from 0 to 1.4. We can start with 0. Now the hyperbolic sine, which is array formula, hyperbolic sine. Wx, so w times x. Now the complex sine, which is sine of w plus or 0 plus wxi. So we begin with the complex part. So complex 0 plus wxi, so comma wx. And because this is an array formula, so we will use array formula. Array formula. Continue. Now that we have the complex part, we now apply the complex sine. So this will be IMSIN. Now that we have the IMSIN, we can now take out the imaginary component. So imaginary, use the function imaginary because this is still a complex number. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. And show the trend line. The type polynomial. For the degree, tenth. And for the label, use the equation. For the legend, position at the left. We don't need the title. We already have the equation as the label. So we can start changing the values of w. We can start w at 0.2, to straight line. We can also use 0.2. Continue, w equals 0.6. We can also use w at 0.6. W equals 1. You can also use w equals 1. And to use w 1.4, you can also use w as 1.4. So this completes the use of the functions hyperbolic sine, IMSIN, imaginary, complex, to show the difference between hyperbolic sine and complex sine.